Hello, this is an unboxing video for Ricoh GR3 X. Alright, Ricoh GR3 X. Let's unbox it. The seller also free me a Ricoh GR front ring, which is a purple color. Alright, Ricoh GR3 X. Alright, it's packed nicely in bubble wrap. Okay. Nicely packed. Okay, let's take a look at this ring. Alright. Purple color. Let's see what's inside. Okay, online warranty card. Futuromic photo AV Sendirian Berhad. Okay, this is the instruction manual. Let's see. Okay, you have a battery. This is the Ricoh GR3 battery. Nicely packed. It's a new battery. Oh, pretty small. Very small. Alright. Then we have a nice camera strap. Okay. And then we have the camera itself. Okay, this is the Ricoh GR3 X. 26.1mm f2.8. Very light. Alright. Let's see what's inside some more. Okay, here we have the battery charger. Then we have the USB-C cable. Okay, that's all. So we'll keep this, not needed at the moment. Alright. And then I might need the manual. Okay, let's keep this first. Alright, this is the camera itself. Do take note, if you really want portability, do buy a pouch, which originally is not provided, and also a dedicated thumb grip if possible, or a screen protector. Okay, this is the ring itself, quite plasticky. Okay, let's start it up. Okay. let's set the date. Okay, this is the date, and alright, there you go. Ricoh GR3 X. Okay, bye. Unboxing video.